Ducati 1098 Best Motorcycle Review, 8V90° Desmo V-twin.
The Ducati 1098 was the motorcycle we'd been waiting for since the 916.
It's a Ducati in the truest form. Blood red, stunning to look at and absolutely pure in its purpose. It was a long time coming, but Ducati had finally built a sports bike that could run with the best, pure unadulterated sports bike heaven. The 1098 was joined in 2008 by the Ducati 1098R, which was a limited-run homologation special built so Ducati could race in the World Superbike Championship. For 2009 the 1098 was replaced by the Ducati 1198. Once you've finished reading this review and our owner's reviews, you can join the UK Ducati forum or Ducati.org forums to talk to other enthusiasts. In November 2010, there was a book published about the 1098/1198 family, published by Haynes and written by Mark Cook. Ride quality and brakes. The Ducati 1098 is exquisite and makes you recalibrate what you thought was possible on a motorcycle. The Ducati 1098's forks give amazing feedback, and combine that with a really neutral chassis, though perhaps not quite as quick to turn from side to side as some of the 1098's Japanese rivals, and you've got probably the best handling 1000 class road motorcycle of its time. You can be clumsy with it, hang off or not hang off, it's your choice, and the Ducati 1098 will do exactly what you tell it, letting you bounce from curb to curb. Engine.
The Ducati 1098's Testostrada Evoluzione is the most powerful production V-twin motorcycle engine ever, making 160 brake horsepower and 92 ft-lb of torque at 8,000 rpm. The Ducati 999 Testostrada engine was completely redesigned from top to bottom. Pretty much every component in the Ducati 1098's engine has been changed, and the bike has a huge increase in power from 3,500 rpm all the way to the redline over the 999.
Reliability and build quality.
The Ducati 1098's build quality, fit and finish are sublime. At launch we didn't see any reason to worry about reliability.
Is a Ducati 1098 reliable? We've got 7 Ducati 1098 owners' reviews on the site at present, and they're overwhelmingly positive.
The overall rating is 4.4 out of 5 stars. The problems highlighted were mainly around costs, and in particular servicing and maintenance.
There have been some reliability issues too.
2007 to 2009 Ducati 1098 used buyer's guide. The 1098 beneath me might be 8 years old and have 8,727 miles of life behind it, but the feeling is the same as when it first arrived on the scene. Push the starter, a conventional button unlike the recessed unit on more modern Ducatis, and it thuds into life.
I can sense almost every explosion as the Testostrada Evoluzione motor drones beneath me and the twin Termi pipes bark their intent.
This is a bike you just have to rev at a standstill, and the LCD dash is lovely and clear in its display. A good solid handful of clutch, that fairly heavy feeling hasn't gone away with miles, and you are away. As long as you don't have to U-turn and find your thumbs trapped between the tank and the bars.
You don't ride a 1098, you plug into it. The seat is narrow and firm while the wide tank with its sharp edges is perfectly placed for knees to grip. As soon as you are moving, the 1098 feels like it is just dying to show you its capabilities. Smooth corners are demolished by this thoroughbred, and the chassis and brakes remain impressive despite the passing years. It's not as instantly agile as a Panigale, but it is considerably more relaxing to ride. Wind on the gas, and the 1099 cubic centimeters engine serves up a near-perfect blend of power and torque with a lazy nature that makes it deceptively fast. With a genuine 144 brake horsepower and 77 ft-lb of torque. It's a beautiful motor at any speed, except in town, where the underseat pipes can get hot and the heavy clutch annoying. Value versus rivals. The same as any other Ducati, the 1098 needs careful looking after, regular dealer services and tucking away for the winter, otherwise expect big bills. Equipment. Although the Ducati 1098 is the basic version, Ducati's new dream motorcycle still isn't wanting for much, certainly not in terms of sports bike goodies. Suspension, brakes etc. are all Premier League on the Ducati 1098, and then there's the sublime data logger dash and exquisite styling.